Hey there everyone, it's Brendan here from the Crypto 101 team and welcome back to another cryptocurrency tutorial. Now in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through how to trade leveraged XRP futures on the Coinbase exchange. Now this is a brand new feature that they just added, so I wanted to make sure that we covered it in depth as I know that there are a lot of XRP traders and a lot of XRP holders out there. So if you are looking to get a different kind of exposure to XRP, this is going to be the video for you. Now without further ado, let's go ahead and dive on in here. And the first thing that you need to do is log right into your Coinbase account, go to the home page, and on the very bottom left-hand corner of your home page, you're going to see this advanced button. We're going to go ahead and click it, and then it's going to bring us to the Coinbase advanced interface. Now from here, we're going to want to click on the derivatives tabs right here. And now we're going to see all of the different futures contracts that are available. Now, if you don't want to sift through all of this and find the XRP contract, then you can just type in the word X or the letters XRP in the search bar. Now, you're going to see that we have three different options. We have May, we have July, and we have June. You almost always want to be choosing the closest date that is to you. So at the time of making this, it is at the very end of April. So the May contract is the only one that I want to be clicking on. In fact, if I try to go to these other contracts, they're not even going to be available yet. So again, you're always going to want to choose the contract that is closest to you because futures contracts work on a 30-day period. So once I click on the XRP May contract, it's going to bring this up for me. I'm going to be able to see the price action, and I'm even going to be able to buy over here on the right-hand side of my screen. So the difference here with these futures contracts is that they operate on a contractual basis. You're not buying shares of XRP, you're buying a contract that is set at a certain amount. So if I go over here and I say, hey, I want to buy one XRP contract, it's going to say, hey, this is going to give you a notional value of $1,091. However, it's only going to cost you $230. Well, that's because this $230 is operating, as you can see, at 5x leverage here on the right-hand side of my screen. So you 5x that's going to get you to roughly around $1,100. So there's going to be a 55-cent fee on this, but this is a cool way to get exposure and trade something like XRP. So if I want to just go buy a single contract, then all I have to do is, again, say my limit price. I can choose between the buy option and the sell option. And the cool thing about this is that I can both long and short XRP from this area. So I can bet that the price is going to go up. I can also bet that the price is going to go down through a sell or a short. So one of the cool things about this is that, or I guess one of the important things to understand rather than maybe it being cool, is that the leverage in the contracts will change. Buy and sell orders, longs and shorts, are not the same. My long order over here is 5x leverage at $230, but my sell or my short is going to be 2.5x leverage at $460. So you need to make sure that you understand this, and you also need to make sure that you have enough margin to be able to hold this. So if I'm going to be doing a $460 contract, well, I generally like to have at least that equivalent of margin in my account. So if I'm taking a $500 contract, I personally like to have at least $500 in bonus cash addition to that. So I probably want to take a position like this without at least $1,000 of cash. Always remember that you can lose a lot with leverage. It's not something that you want to be doing if you're brand new to trading. It's very highly risky, and we'll never give financial advice about people taking one direction or another on something like this. It's completely up to you. So if you actually want to place the contract itself, say you want to go long on XRP, then I can come in here, I can say, hey, I want to go long at $2. I'm just going to put that right on to my limit price. I'm going to say I want to go long at $2. I'm going to go long for one contract. You can even add a take profit and a stop loss if you want to do that, which is always a nice feature to have. But then I can go ahead and just click buy now. So once I do this, you're going to see that it has loaded into my orders tab over here, and I can even edit or even cancel this at any time. So let's say that, hey, I accidentally placed this at the wrong area. I can always cancel my order, and boom, my order is canceled, and now I can go ahead and even place a new one if I want to. But that's really all there is to XRP futures contracts. Again, they operate in a little bit of a different manner than I think a lot of people are used to, because instead of buying normal shares or normal tokens through a spot exchange, you're buying a contract, which is set at a specific dollar amount that varies from time to time, and it also varies from your long and short positions, because these are leveraged products instead of just owning the actual, spot asset itself that I think a lot of people are used to. So it's definitely a double-edged sword, but if this was something that you're interested in because you're a big XRP fan, well, Coinbase now offers this as something that is available to you. Now, it should go without saying, but there is a little bit of an approval process here. Not anyone can trade leverage. There is a little bit of an application process. So if this is something that you're interested in, you have to actually go and apply through Coinbase. They're going to make sure that this is something that makes sense for you depending on your account size and where you are. And you can generally get approved for this fairly easily, as it's not a super complicated process. But it is important to understand that as well. So thank you all for watching this, and that's going to go ahead and wrap up our video on XRP futures contracts. Now, if you like this video, we have all sorts of other tutorials that are going to be coming your way in the not so distant future. So make sure you hit that like button, you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see all of you in the next video.